Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And for today's video you need some cans. The size doesn't matter, but if you they need to, of course, without the outside paper, and be sure that they are empty. And then you can paint them. And I use for the paint chalk paint. I like this kind of paint, but that's not necessary. Every kind of paint you have in the house is good for it. But the kind of what harder paints, like paints you use for outside painting, the outside door or something like that, all that kind of paint is good. I have a very small tin of paint, but that's because it was a try for the wall, and afterwards I didn't like it, so that was good that I only have a try. And the easy thing with chalk paint is that it's very dry, very dry of course, but very dry in only 2 hours. And this is the result, and I make a Christmas can for a Christmas present. And as we all know, sometimes we don't know what kind of present we are gonna give, and for that reason, this is very nice to do. Just a can with something nice in it, and you can always use it for something else as well. I have a few in my house for pens, pencils. I have one with a small flower in it. It's all possible. And you can just use some stickers. I'm going to put some ribbon around it. It's just ordinary glue I have, what I can use. And it's especially nice to give someone if you don't know what to give. You can always give something, nice to eat, but I mean, we all have that already. And if you wrap it in something else in this kind of can, then it's a very nice present to get as well. I gave last year I gave a few to family members, and the cans are still standing somewhere with something else in it, so they're still used, and that's the thing I like. And it's a very cheap present, and you can all use all colors of paint. Just what you have still have somewhere in your shred. That's all very nice. And this is the first can I create. The second one I'm going to create is a smaller one. There was some corn in it. I'm using some raffia. I don't know exactly how it's called. It's between rope and lace in. I don't know where it's made from. And I'm not going to give this one for present with Christmas, but just as an ordinary present, because we are going to have a dinner, and I will give this with a bottle of wine as well. And the sticker in the front says "Meals and memories are made here." Well, I hope so. We're gonna have dinner there, and I hope it will be fun. I think so. Why not? And now I'm going to put some. I will put some extra stickers on some. I have a lovely flower. I think that's better over here. And sometimes you have some bigger stickers for in your journal, and you think by yourself, what am I going to use with that? They are too big. But you can always use them at these cans. And I have a box of chocolates, Merci chocolates. Well, if you give them in the box, that's quite common. But like this, it's totally different. And I'm lucky 2 doesn't fit in anymore, so I can eat them. And I will show you what I created, some examples. And if you like this video or this idea, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope that I give with this video I hope you get some new ideas what you can do with some paint. And especially chalk paint is very easy to get rid of your hands, so that's make it easier as well to do. Okay, hope to see you next time. Bye bye!